man, I did it again. That's my prerogative, not yours. Must be a nasty day again. The floor's wet. It's not super cold, but I'm dressed warmer than usual. It bothered me just seeing those lens flares just come on this camera, even during a foul day in daylight. I had a $50 gift card, and let me tell you, I couldn't even use it. I had no use for it. I didn't want to buy anything else. I got sitting on the shelf a Hero 8, a Hero 7, and upstairs a Hero 9. Why do I need another Hero 11? That just got me thinking more and more and more. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, show a like, make a comment, and tell me your thoughts about what you like and dislike about, the Hero 11, and let alone the Action 3. I didn't like the way this light here just showed like a protractor and just wasn't good on every shot. The Hero 10 doesn't do that. It may just blur out the lighting just a little bit. The light's right here hitting me on the head, but the light back here that you see, the street cam, is green, and when that changes to yellow, oh man, and goes to red, that thing just gets all blown out. Yeah, it turns to green when you just get right up to it. Cameras suck at low light, and I know that. You may not know that. Some of us do. And it doesn't matter if you have a half-inch sensor or what they call a 1-inch sensor. GoPros don't have a 1-inch sensor. They got something that's just a little bit bigger than that 1/2 today. You hear that traffic? That's all the way back there, and I hear the traffic there as well. Oh man, what a gloomy day. Make a video for you, share it to the world. Yeah. Well, I got 2 other videos that I made. I got one that's a return. Yeah. I got one that's an update. Yeah. And I don't know if I want to release them, get them out. You probably will see them. Doesn't matter when they get aired. It is what it is, man. But today I'm getting, my 3rd. Yes, indeed. How many am I on GoPro today? I think I'm on my 3rd GoPro, and I got, 8 more to go. I don't know, GoPro. You gotta, give me some wow factor here. I don't feel that wow factor anymore with just 1 or 2 things that are being added. Bacon and egg and cheese. That's what I was dying for. They're closed. They're not open. But they smell like they're cooking bagels. See behind me and in front of me, the snowflake. Snowflake's supposed to be in the bluish Kelvin, higher Kelvin. I got one right over here. It's in the warmer Kelvin. Does that mean that one's flaky? Get it? See it? Flaky? How smooth is it? Does it look real smooth like this one over here? No, that one's out. How about this one coming up? Is it going to be really fluid and not blurry? That's GoPro for you. That's nice. House is lit up. It's got lights for you. Opticals, little lights shining. This is the time you take your cameras, no matter what it is. You go out there and you capture the moment. Holiday time. And this is the time you want to have a good camera. Yeah, I got a camera. I got 2. I got more than 2. Is it 22 days to Christmas? Oh yeah. I hope you get your product. in 22 days or less. Hurry, hurry, it's being delivered. Hurry, hurry. Well, I got my ride in. I didn't get breakfast and talked a little bit about what I did and done. It's over. Can't complain. Can you? Well, low light needs light. Not a nice day, and I hope you enjoy your products if it's the one right for you. On that note, I'm Fish. See ya.